Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a pie chart in Microsoft PowerPoint. A pie chart is a way of representing data in a circular graph. Pie slices of the chart show the relative size of the data. Pie charts are often used in the industry and it is very easy to use and understand. In this video I'll show you how to create a 3D pie chart. I'll also show you how to customize the labels and add shadows and glow effects on your pie chart. To start building your pie chart, click on Insert at the top and then click on Charts. Choose pie and then select the pie chart option. Click OK and then the pie chart will appear in your slide. It comes pre-filled with the sample data. I'll copy our own data from a dataset that I have in another Excel file. You can see that in this Excel file I have the monthly sales data for various months of the year. I'll copy it and paste it into the PowerPoint Excel data. The data has been loaded and the pie chart has been updated in the slide. I'll start to customize the pie chart and the first thing I'll do is to change the title of the slide. I will call it monthly sales performance. I will now change the style and color of the pie chart. You can see that PowerPoint offers variety of options when it comes to style and color. You can change and choose it as per your wish. I will select various styles and show you how each one looks. PowerPoint also gives you the ability to customize the chart elements like the chart title, labels and legends. I'll change the data label to data callout option and it looks good to me. I will change the style of the pie just to see which one looks good with the data callout layout. I will now give a shadow effect to the pie chart. I will give a solid orange border to the pie chart. As you can see, the format chart area also gives you the flexibility to customize the other aspects of the pie chart like the plot area, legends and chart title. You can change the fill border options of the legend too in PowerPoint. From the add chart element in the top left, I will change the data label settings. I will choose the more data label option. You can see that you can customize the label options like choosing whether you want to display the label as a value, percentage or title. After making all the initial customizations like the shadow, borders and data labels, you can again choose to change the style of the pie chart and see which one looks good with all of them being added. You can see this is how a pie chart looks now. You also have the option to make a 3D pie chart in PowerPoint. Go to change chart type and choose 3D pie chart. A 3D pie chart will come with all the customizations applied to it. You can choose from a variety of styles like the dark theme. You can change the color of the dark theme and choose different color options. You can format the label and give a separator for better understanding and readability. I am choosing a semicolon as a separator. You can play around with the other chart options in the format chart area. You can also give a glow effect. So guys, this is for the video and I hope you have liked it. Thank you for watching this. Please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.